Here's the tutorial for creating a structure graph. For this option, you're going to need to know your song very well. You're going to need to know the different sections of your song, such as a verse and chorus. You're going to be able to check how long each section is. So for example, if the introduction ends at 11 seconds into the song, you're going to need to be able to see that, and I'll show you how to do that. And you're going to need to listen for which instruments are playing at what time. So let's get into an example real quick. I'm going to enter my name into this box right here, as well as the song title over here. I'm going to do oh blah. Let me type this in real quick. Okay, the song is Obla Di Obla Da by the Beatles. Now I have the song pulled up right here in iTunes. You can use any kind of song streaming service that you want. You can use your Spotify account, but we're going to need to be able to see the time in minutes and seconds. So if we look at this setup on Google Sheets, they're asking for a section label. This is going to be the intro, verse, or chorus. It's asking for a section start time. So when does that start? And then there's a list of the word instrument. You're going to be replacing each of these words of instrument with an instrument like guitar, bass, drums. So let's take a listen to this song. Just the first couple seconds. All right, so I can hear a little bit of piano in there. I can hear a little bit of acoustic guitar maybe. And I think I hear a bass. I'm going to check into it again. And I hear there's some clapping and some drums in there. So I'm going to put drums. Now, I know I'm talking about my intro, so I'm going to type in intro here. It starts at the very beginning of the song, so I'm going to put 0 minutes, colon 0 seconds. Always put 2 zeros if you're putting zeros after this colon. And in order to let my viewer know that the instrument is playing, I'm going to change the color of the background of each block, of each cell. So for piano, I'm going to use the color, if we go up to here, the spilling paint can, I'm going to use red. So in the intro, the piano is playing, so I'm going to fill that block in as red. The acoustic guitar is playing. If you notice, I'm clicking and dragging to highlight more than one box. The acoustic guitar is playing, I'll make that orange. Bass is playing, I'll make that the next color, yellow. And drums are playing, I'll make that green. All right, let's keep listening and see when it changes sections. Oop, that's not what I was meant to do. All right, back to the beginning. Okay, so we're into the first verse. I'm going to type in verse here. And if you heard, all of the same instruments are still playing, and we have a new instrument. The voice is added in. So the voice is the new one. I'm going to color that one light blue. So we're going to add in light blue for voice. Now, a fun trick with Google Sheets. If you want to put the same color in a block next to each other, in a cell next to each other, you can click on that block, click onto this larger square in the corner, and drag it over. I'm going to do that with each of these. Oop. If you make a mistake, make sure you undo it. And we have to check out what time the verse started at. Okay, so it stopped. I stopped it at 10 seconds. So I'm going to put 0 minutes, 10 seconds. And we're on our way to finishing the structure graph. There's going to be many verses and many choruses. Make sure you check what's a verse and what's a chorus. Usually a chorus is, it has repeating lyrics, and a verse has lyrics that change but similar music throughout. All right, guys, don't forget to check out the finished example if you want to see what a finished structure graph looks like. And you're on to the next step once you are done.